Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to guess the value of the limit, if it exists, by evaluating the function at the given numbers correct to 6 decimal places. So we have the limit as t goes to 0 of e to the 5t minus 1 over t. So for these certain values of t, we have to evaluate this fraction e to the 5t minus 1 over t. And of course, this is something you're going to be plugging into your calculator. But first, we have all these numbers, these values, in positive or negative. So first, let's do the positive numbers. So coming at 0 from the right, 0.5, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001. And if we evaluate these, we get the following: 16.712938, 22.369093, 176.274456, 1,772.663785, and 17,187.193894. Again, rounded to 6 decimal places. And now we do it for the negative values, because for this limit to exist, they have to be approaching the same value from both directions. So we have negative 0.5, negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001, and negative 0.0001. So plugging these values into the equation, we get negative 1.127897, negative 13.42784, negative 167.522756, negative 1,713.913954, and negative 17,178.440822. And so if we look at these values, as we're getting closer and closer to 0, the value of the fraction is going off to infinity in one direction and negative infinity in the other. Right, you can see that these are getting exponentially bigger. And since the limit as t goes to 0 from the right does not equal the limit as t goes to 0 from the left, the limit as t goes to 0 of e to the 5t minus 1 over t does not exist.